Hello students, all of you are doing well. So today we are going to start one new chapter, that is articles. So what are articles? So an article is a word that is often used before a noun and tells about the certainty of that noun. Okay, the sure knowledge of that noun. So there are how many kinds of articles? I know you know the answer. So there are two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite. So definite means the and indefinite means a or an. So articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Specific generally means the definite one, that is the, and unspecific means the indefinite article, that is a or an. So first of all, we will learn what are indefinite articles and where to use indefinite articles. So the indefinite articles take two forms. Is the word a when it precedes a word that begins with a consonant. For example, a bird. I've seen a bird sitting on a branch of the tree. A cow was grazing grass in the field. A shirt. I am wearing a shirt that my mother gave. It's the word an when it precedes a word that begins with a vowel. An apparatus. Can you please pass an apparatus to me? An example. Can you give me an example? So, generally, a or a we use before a word which starts with a consonant. Letter and the word and we use for the words which begin with a vowel. Now there are certain rules. Let us know the rules where to use the indefinite articles. First one, a or an is used before countable singular nouns. A cat has 4 legs. So here a is used with a singular countable common noun when the noun denotes a complete class of things, persons or animals. Second usage of indefinite article a or an is it is used before profession, rank, title, religion, nationality, like a commander-in-chief, an Indian, a teacher, a French. Now here student, don't get confused with the word French with language. Here I am saying a French means a nationality. Then a is used for temporary illness. Like sometimes we say, I have a fever, I have a headache. So like this temporary illness, we can use a before this. Another usage is an is used before abbreviations like MLA, NGO, LLB. Okay, so before abbreviation we use this an. Another usage of a is used with a consonant sound despite beginning with vowels. Now for examples, before university or European, we generally don't put an. We use a. Why? Because the words or the alphabet which is used in this word is U and E, but actually the pronunciation is with Z. University, Z sound. Because of that, we use a before university and European. Then a or an is used before descriptive adjectives. Now what does the word descriptive adjective mean? Now if I tell you he is a good man, so here the word good is an adjective which is describing the character of a man. So because of that, a is used or written before the term good. Another example, what a beautiful dress or what a beautiful scenery. So here the word beautiful is an adjective, is a descriptive adjective because it's describing the words scenery and dress. So because of that I have written a before beautiful. Now students, let us know about the definite article. So the is the word which we use for definite articles. So the is used to indicate a particular person or thing in case of common nouns because proper nouns generally do not take an article. So what are the rules? Let us know. The is used before the nouns that have been used earlier. Like for example, my sister is making a film. So here the film is used for the first time. Okay, so I'm uncertain which film I'm talking about. It can be any film. Okay, this time this film is unspecific. Because of that, I have used here a film. Now the film is on Nepalese folk art. So here I'm talking about the particular film, okay, that I have mentioned before. Because of that, the second time I have written the film. Second usage, the is used before ordinal numbers as well as cardinal numbers. Ordinal number means first, second, third, and cardinal numbers means the later, the former. Okay. The is also used before a common noun representing a class. Like for example, the peacock is the national bird of India. Now here the peacock represents all the peacocks. So another usage of the is used before the words which are one of a kind, like the moon, the sun, the sky, the universe, etc. The is also used before the group of countries like the United States of America, the United Kingdom, and the is also used before the rivers, seas, deserts, directions, monuments, religious books, mountain ranges, awards, etc. So rivers like the Ganges, the Thor Desert, the Taj Mahal, the awards like Padma Bhushan, the Ramayana, the Pacific Ocean, etc. And last, the is used before the superlative degrees. Okay, like for example, Rohan is the best player of his team. So before best, I have used here the. So we have learned about the usage of definite and indefinite articles. Now let us know about the omission, where not to use the definite articles. So the should be omitted before proper nouns. Before any kinds of names, we should not use the. The should be omitted before the language, like English, Bengali, or any other language. Like if I say, for example, Bengali is my mother tongue. So before Bengali, I am not using the word the, because here I am saying Bengali as a language. The is not used before months, days, like for example Monday or January. So Monday is the first day of the week, or January is the first month of the year. The should not be used before the names of meals like dinner or lunch. We should not use the word the. The should also be omitted before mountains. Okay, but I'm not talking about the mountain ranges. Mountain means Mount Everest. Okay, before mountains we should not use the, but before mountain ranges like the Himalayas we can use it. The should not be used before abstract nouns like honesty or wisdom, knowledge. Okay, so for example, honesty is the best policy. So yes, that's it, students. So thank you.